Hi everybody, Lorraine here. Want to try something new today. I first saw this done by Julie Cuts on her channel, Pouring Your Heart Out, and she coined the phrase ghost pour, and that consists of a swipe. So I'm going to cover my canvas with this phthalo blue. And see if I can achieve the ghost pour. Okay, so since we're getting close to Halloween here, I thought a ghost pour would be appropriate. See if I can get some amazing results like I have seen Julie get. Get rid of my air bubbles. Okay, so I've gotten out a few colors here that I already had mixed up. This is called Rouge. It's a purpley magenta. I'm going to find the center of my canvas, put a thin line down. I have a pearl, and this is an extreme sheen color, so it might give us some pretty cool effects. Make sure I get a nice solid line. Then I had this neon pink or fluorescent pink. I'm not sure if it's neon or fluorescent. Put a little of that in there. And a couple of different palette knives here, and I am just going to come down the center here, swipe, wipe it off in between. My glove hanging off the end of my finger, so I'm going to fix that here. I'm just very lightly floating over the paint. Get that blue over the pink. Kind of like to have some narrower lines, so I'm going to change the direction of my palette knife. Swipe it on through. I'm not getting the nice little points that I would like to see. Keep moving here. It's very pretty. Try using my larger palette knife here. Maybe I can get a little bit different effect. Give it a turn. Get the this other side. We'll use this larger palette knife. I'm just wiping the palette knife off in between each time here to not contaminate what I'm doing. Getting some pretty neat looking cells. That pearl is really pretty in there. Very pretty in there. Okay. See if I can do this from the other hand. Whew. Pretty neat. Try and bring some of this rouge up through here. Work on some of these. Get a lot of pearl over here. I might put just a little bit. Tiny bit of pearl in here. A little bit more of this rouge. And pull that down together. See if I can get some nice cells coming up through. This is so cool. See, I've got a little bit of a thin spot here. Just going to keep working on this until it gives me what I'm looking for. Really like this spot right here. That turned out really pretty. I'm going to give it a turn, take a look at it, see what we have going on. I'm going to add a little bit of color in here. This is that neon pink. A little bit of this pearl in front of it. I'll pull that up over it. A little bit more. Oop, there's not much on my stick there. Let's see if we can get a little bit more of this phthalo blue to pull up and over. There, I think we're going to get some nice little mixture there. Some cells coming up through. pull some little points here. There we go. Kind of like that. Gives it more of a ghosty appearance. Boy, Julie made this look very easy, and it is not. Hats off to Julie. Thank you for the inspiration, too. Something new and exciting to do. It's always fun to try something different. Turn it around. I'm going to get some of this here and bring it down. Pick up some of that neon pink. I don't have very much of it on the other side. And I don't want to overwork this either. So I want to see a little neon over in here. So I'm going to just dip my palette knife. Not as good at swiping away from myself. Wow, it's pretty cool. Looks like it's selling up kind of neat, giving some really pretty effects. I'm just checking to see how much paint I have on the canvas. Want it to dry nicely. Let's give it a torch. Okay. I should step away from the painting at this point, but I'm still seeing things that I want to change. So I'm going to do it now while I can. Don't really want to ruin. I want to pull this down a little bit, but I don't want to interfere with that pretty lacing that's going on. Well, there we go. I think I'm going to leave it alone before I get it all muddied up. So tell me what you think, guys. Not bad for first try. I like the colors together. They sure look nice. Let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know if you've tried this yourself. I'm interested to know. It's kind of a new style. A little bit of a twist on the swipe technique. So there we go. Thanks for watching my video. I appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Doesn't cost you a thing to do that. Helps me out a lot. So go ahead and like, share, subscribe. Thanks again. Bye.